Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to check battery level for your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5. And to check it we need to use the application, because if I use the control panel I have no information about battery level. Also, if I go to the settings and connected devices, there's the same, no information here. Even if I click at the settings icon, nothing. So you need to open EDIFIER CONNECT app, and of course you need to add these headphones to the application. And if you did it, right here we can check battery percentages. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!